Think you know everything about social media? Think again. Here are 5 shocking facts that will completely change the way you see your favorite apps. Fact 1. User addiction by design. Did you know social media platforms are designed to be addictive? They use techniques inspired by slot machines to keep you hooked. That endless scrolling. It's called infinite scroll, and it was created to make you lose track of time. Feeling those little hits of joy when you get likes. That's dopamine at work, the same chemical linked to gambling addiction. Fact 2. Your data is the product. Ever wonder why social media is free? It's because you're the product. These platforms collect and sell your data to advertisers, making billions of dollars. Your likes, clicks, and even how long you stare at a post, all tracked to target you with ads. Fact 3. Fake accounts everywhere. Social media isn't as real as it seems. In fact, over 16% of Twitter accounts are estimated to be bots, and on Instagram, nearly 20% of accounts are fake or inactive. That influencer with 1 million followers. They might not be as popular as they seem. Fact 4. The impact on mental health. Studies have linked excessive social media use to increased anxiety, depression, and even body image issues, especially among teens. The endless comparison game can make people feel like they're not good enough, leading to a decline in self-esteem. Fact 5. Social media influences elections. Social media isn't just about memes and selfies. It's also a powerful political weapon. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter have been accused of influencing elections through targeted political ads, fake news, and even misinformation campaigns. In 2016, it was reported that 50 million Facebook profiles were harvested to influence voters. Social media isn't just fun and games, it's a powerful tool with serious consequences. So, the next time you're scrolling through your feed, remember these shocking facts. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more eye-opening content.